How is he physically and otherwise?
Yeah, so obviously I cannot delve into that. I'd like to reiterate that we were advised to refrain from sharing information about our visits with him. But all I can assure you is that he is alive and well, and it was a very heartwarming visit. Ayun. And as I left, I told him na, ayun, I'm talking about more of me lang na what I said to him. So I just told him na, you know, that I don't think you realize how much more I love myself knowing that I'm molded in your likeness. I just told him how proud I am to, you know, to have been raised by him. And then he was happy. We bid each other goodbye with hugs and kisses. And then ayun, he went off.
But he seems healthy
Yes,
and
yes,
strong.
yes.
No reason for anyone to worry about it.
No reason to worry. But ayun, as I said, I cannot discuss further.
Okay. So,
Can I
since,
ask one question? Kit, on a different matter, there seems to be a lot of effort right now to impugn your family, no, to be involved in all whatever controversy. Just as a Duterte, as Veronica Kitty Duterte, how do you feel with all of this effort? I know it's a little bit political.
You know, no, they can keep trying. Malinis yung konsensya eh. Ganun talaga yan. Problema ng North, Duterte yung dadalhin na pangalan. So there, yeah, it's something we were prepared for, I guess. For our name to be dragged wherever in whatever issue. So I think the best we can do is, you know, hope for the best and, you know, prepare for the worst.
Kit, do you have a message to all of those supporters right now, because the confirmation of charges hearing were postponed, but still supporters, I believe, will still come here with respect to mga prepared na mga events. What's your message to the supporters of your father?
Yes, to those supporters now who still plan on coming here, of course, I cannot tell you not to come kung gusto niyo talaga, but ayun, I would just like to extend my heartfelt and everlasting gratitude to all of you for sticking it through until now. It's been 5 months.
Almost 6 months.
Almost 6 months, half a year. So it's a pretty long time, and for, you know, hindi naman nila nakakasama sa PRD on the daily, but you know, that amount of support, of course, it's overwhelming now. Wow, there are people who love him and respect him this much. So as his daughter, who also loves him dearly, I would like to thank you, and that this is something that as a family we would never ever forget.
will you still be here 19 to 23?
I'm not sure, parang hindi na attorney kasi ayun, for the rallies